So I have with me the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 and recently it has received the OneUI 5 update, and with the OneUI 5 update it has got a lot of new features, and among those one is the battery and device care app which has been added to the watch. And with the device care app you can do a lot of things, among which some of the useful things are clearing the RAM and also checking whether your Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 is working fine or not. So in this video, we will see extensively what are the things that we can do with the device care app. So as always, this video will be a sick video guys, and if you are into enthusiast, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification up because I will be making more videos like this. So first of all, the device care app has been a really great app, as you will be able to see whether your device has any issues related to storage, battery or memory. And if there are any issues, it will be notifying here. As you can see, there are no issues with my watch, and here you can see how much battery is left, and also you can make the apps go into power saving mode. So you can also see if you turn on the power saving mode, the battery health will be increased here and how much time you will be getting on the watch. Along with, you can also get the sleeping apps option. So in the sleeping apps option, you can add apps which will go into the sleep mode and will reduce the battery consumption. Although there is a disadvantage with that, as you can miss some notifications when these apps are sleeping. So if you are using any app extensively, you don't need to put it into the sleeping apps mode. You can also remove apps from here. Just tap and hold it and just click remove from list. So it will remove the app and make the app active, which will consume a much more battery if this app is running all the time in the background. And also there is an option of watch only. If you have very low battery, you can turn on watch only, which will show you only the time, and definitely it will conserve a lot of battery in the watch. You can also see which of the apps are consuming how much percentage of battery from here. So really good job done by Samsung in adding this app in the OneUI 5 update, which brings the battery management of all the apps in this watch at one place. And also you can do a lot more, like you can also see the storage which is available in your watch and which of the things have consumed most of the storage. You need to just give the permissions first, and once you give the permission, you will be able to see the images, audio and the apps and watch faces, how much storage has been taken by which of the media here. So you can obviously understand that, and you can delete the required apps to increase the storage in here. Also what you can do is you can see the memory. So you all know that the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 comes with a 1.5 GB of RAM. And here you can see how much RAM has been consumed by the apps which are running in the background. So the best thing possible here is you can clear the apps and add more to the memory here, just like in the Android phones we used to do. So this thing has been recently added after the update, and you can see that if I click on clean now, it is cleaning one by one all the apps which are running in the background, and after that your watch will be again a lot more smoother and fluid in usage, and you will be able to access and use things a lot more better on the watch. So this is one of the really good apps you are getting on the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4, and this app not only show you the available memory but also the amount of memory each app has consumed. So if I click on this tick sign, I can exclude it from the memory cleanup which I will be doing at that time. So definitely a really good app, and you will also be able to know which of the apps are taking up memory on your watch. So the device care is one of the best apps added in the OneUI 5 update, and this app can help you a lot when it comes to battery, storage and memory management in the watch all at one place. So I just wanted to show you this app, and obviously Samsung are adding more apps in the updates. So I hope you have liked this video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification up because I will be making more videos like this. So thank you guys. Have a great day. Thank you.